Greetings from Panama. We came up because we've got the exciting news that they got in our new decorative sun ventilators. We had gotten a set previously, and neither the contractors nor we were very pleased with the quality of them. So these are the Vigas, the curved arches that were formed with the wood frames under them, and they were braced up with bamboo. The top of the Vigas has the sunset or sunrise, depending on how you want to look at it. So each pair makes a sunset or a sunrise. When you're looking straight onto them, it's easiest to see. So each one is like a sunrise. There you go. Sunrise, sunset. So we have them up in even sets, and any place that they have to put an uneven set, for example, on this one, they didn't have quite, is it this one? Yeah. So on this one here, they didn't have quite enough space for an even set, so we asked them just to fill in with concrete on the ends. We didn't want to have an uneven number, so we'd have like an oddball, half a sun. So that's what our contractor came up with as an idea. And I think that's what they've done on these ends as well. They've just filled in a tiny little spacer on the end. So they're all sunrises and sunsets. Really, really pretty. We had the decorative side facing out, the more sculpted side, and they look real good. They look good from either side, honestly. They're really, really pretty. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Vigas there, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, so 11 altogether, 11 Vigas. So they all have this. Now what happens next is there's a small strip of concrete, I think it's like about 6 inches, I remember Dave saying, that goes on top of that, and that completes the Vigas. And then from there, we move on to the roof and building the center wall up to the height of the roof, which is gonna actually be like 15 feet. I think they've started to plan that out, but they have not built all the way up yet. They've just started building up more. So this center wall is the pitch of our roof line. And so this will actually be it's either 15 feet or 16 feet high wall. And then the outsides will be roughly 12 feet high. And then on the front, it's a foot lower. And on the carport and garage will be a foot lower. Right now the carport and garage look the same height as the house, but that will not be getting built up anymore. The house will. So the house will be built up a foot higher than that. So that's what's going on. We've got ventilators in, which means they are almost through with the walls contract. All they need to do is finish off these Vigas with concrete on top. So that means they'll frame it out with a mold to pour a straight section of concrete on top of the ventilators. And then that will be the whole Viga. The concrete on the bottom, the decorative ventilators in the middle, and then more concrete on the top. And these are just really pretty, really, really pretty. Excelente! Me amolos mucho. Our guys are out. Dice hola! Ustedes son famosa. Oh, mucho es bueno. Es un casa ahora. No solo un sueño en mi cabeza. I'm saying it's a house now, not just a dream in my head. So yeah, they're getting them all smoothed out and cleaned up, getting the surface all evened out. Looks great. Excelente. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. So it goes all the way down that side, all the way, and up the front. Ah, vida es excelente. That's our soon-to-be carport garage. And if you look at the wood up front, it kind of gives you an idea of how it's going to look when it has a rounded wrought iron gate. So, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, look! Underneath there, if you look up, you can see the beautiful ventilators up front. That's awesome. Ciao for now.